Mukul. Açık kasım. Açık kasım. Açık kasım. TMC. TMC.
Unong yalam kaliang Pyrshah badeiru ukurtong bat nong yalam ka Trinamool Congress Mukul Sangma haka nyaw tarik urampang ulat hep kerteng banya khon ya ka election ka bansalong haka arhon nyaw tarik urampang na tikri kila constituency usangma unya khon na artligi constituency kata na songsak bat na tikri kila haka ba ula dep ban thep kerteng na songsak constituency hinnan ka henriu tarik urampang habak range kilat pathai khobor usangma ula ong balada ka TMC kawan haka bor kin sa Pyndam no yakirai ba Pyrshah da ki Riewpaidbah kabalarai da ka sarkar ka bamenta kum ka MOU halor ki khaput bat ga jila Assam
in respect to the unacceptable anti-people decision pertaining to the interstate border issue with Assam, where the incumbent government tried to just bulldoze that decision in favor of Assam, which was considered as completely a response to a dictate given by our neighboring state, by our counterpart. So that's why we are saying if people of the state of Meghalaya are not accepting, why is the Chief Minister, who is supposed to reflect the desire and intent and decision of the people, is actually conforming and bowing down to the dictates of the forces from the counterpart government? That's why these are issues which are not acceptable to the people. Anything that has not been acceptable to people have not been acceptable to us, and that is what we will undo. Number one. Another one, you know that the incumbent government wanted to make Meghalaya a den of gambling. It is against our ethos, against our way of life, against our thought and expression and faith and worship.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela